Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Coders Arcade. This is Vishajit, and in this video we're going to talk about how to implement a C program wherein we'll see a source string gets copied to a destination string. So this is the source code. So in other words, what this source code does is it takes a string as an input and copies the string into a different string, a target string we can say. Yeah. So let's see how the execution works. It is already compiled. The name is strc copy. Okay. So the source string we can enter as coders arcade. So the destination string where this same string will be copied to the destination string as well. Okay. Which is actually empty now. But the source code which is running in the background that copies this string into the destination string. So the destination string is coders arcade. Okay, so as expected. All right, so let's look into the source code and how it works line by line. Okay, so the program is implementing, anyway, this headers I'm not going to repeat again and again. This we're including the required headers in the beginning. So here the program is implementing a function which returns void. That means it doesn't return anything. It is implementing a function called str copy. Okay, and it is taking two arguments, that is two strings. Okay, a character array is nothing but a string, you should know that. Okay, now it is taking two character arrays or two strings as input, and here on line 7 we are declaring an integer I is equal to 0. This is going to be the loop counter for while loop. Okay. Now, within the while loop, the condition is while s1I is not equal to end of character. This is called as end of character. That is, this will be present in every string on a C-based string. Okay. And whenever the string finishes, this will be the last character. There will be no further strings, further characters retake. So whenever the program encounters /0, this is known as end of character. So that means the string has ended here. Okay. So now it begins with s1 equal to 0. Okay, let's say the sample string we're trying to copy is orders. Okay. Now I is 0, right? So what is s1 0? This is the value of s1. Okay. Value of s1 is equal to coders. So s1 0 is C, right? So it comes here. Now S2 0 will get the assignment of S1 0, which is C. Okay. So if we keep on looping, retake. So next the value of I will be incremented by 1. That is I becomes 1. From 0 it becomes 1. So S1 1. Yeah. So S1 1 is O. Okay. So the value S2 1, the string s2 where the destination string we're copying the value of s1 1, which is o. So o will be assigned to s2 1. So the complete loop finishes for 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, it finishes until 5. Okay, when the value of I is 5, okay, it comes here and it copies s into s2 5. Okay, and then I plus plus is incremented again 6. So the while loop finishes. Okay, so once that is done, we must not miss this step where we're ending the result of s2 string with end of character, that is s2 6. When I comes out of here, in this case value of I will be 6, so the ending character is s2 6 is equal to ending character, that is slash backward slash 0. Okay, if you understand this, then the rest of the piece of the code is very easy to understand. Okay, there's nothing here. We're just going to call the str copy. Okay, so here is our main program, and we're declaring two strings or two character arrays. It's the same thing. A character array is nothing but a string. Okay, so string 1, it is of capacity 50. String 2 is of capacity 50. It holds up to 50 letters. Okay, now we are prompting the user to enter the source string. Okay, so now we are reading that source string into str1 using gets function, okay, which is provided in stio.h header file. Yeah, and str copy, we're going to call our function, and we're going to pass str1 and str2. Okay, so str1 we are received from the user, and str2 is an empty string. Okay, so now once they're passed here to str copy, so we have seen how this one executes. So by the time this piece of code finishes executing, the value of S1 will be copied to a value of S2. In this case, value of str1 will be copied into value of str2. So then once that is done, we are printing the destination string is puts. We're using the puts function. We're printing the value of str2. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please do post them in the comment section below. I'll try to clear those doubts. And once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. This is Vishijit from Coders Arcade signing off. Thank you again.